Hold on when you need a friend, I'll never.
Hi guys, and welcome to our channel. I am Stephanie from the Just Gotta Knows. So back with another video. This one is different. This is the first for me, but it's not a first for this particular company, or like you've heard the name before. So really quick before you go, or before I continue, make sure you are subscribed to our channel. We love it. We're trying to hit our big goal of 1,000 subscribers, and give us a big thumbs up or a thumbs down or whatever. Just click something down there. Okay, so getting into our video. Today's video is from, you already know these green dots. It's from Thredup, but this is not a rescue box. This is a goodie box. So I'm assuming, this is my first time with this box. I don't really know much about it. I'm assuming it's like a subscription box similar to like Trunk Club, Stitch Fix, those types, except this is used items. So I pay $10 for this, and if I do not get anything, then I lose the $10, but if I want to buy something, then those $10 goes towards that purchase. So with the $10, they send 10 items. And you are able to go and put in like your price range. You take a little quiz, and so we're going to see what they send us. So the first thing is you get your little receipt. You see the 10 items that are on the side. Try everything on, mix and match. Decide what you want to keep, send back the rest using the prepaid shipping label. Return the box via FedEx or U.S. Postal Service within 7 days of delivery. Head over to thredup.com, select your goodie box, and leave us your thoughts. We'll use the feedbacks for your next goodie box. Okay, so you get this. So out of my 10 items, supposedly a lot of stuff retails for $119, but the most expensive item is $23.99, which I have a couple of those. So we are going to see what they did. This is my first box, so I really haven't given feedback. So we're just going to kind of see how they did based on my quiz. It does come nicely packaged. You get a little bag, and in this bag, what do we get? You get your shipping label. I guess I'm going to send it back in that box. You get a little booklet of, I don't know. I'm not going to look at it. And then a letter here that just basically says how the goodie box got started and their mission. I don't know. I'm just here for the clothes. Okay, so starting off, we are going to see, I got this orange top. It's from Max Studio. This is a size extra small, so I got one top. So the Max Studio top is $20.99. Next, I got, stripes. I like stripes. I don't know about the green. I don't know about this material. This is from Collective Concept, size extra small. This is $17.99. I don't know, but I feel like this is cheapish material. Supposedly it retails for $89, and the Max Studio retails for $119. Okay, next is something that's new with tags. This is from the limited, size small. The price tag is cut off. This is a good dress, like if I was to go to work, and it has cute buttons on the back. The print is cute. I just don't have nowhere to wear this, so I'm kind of like, eh. Well, we'll try it on and make a decision. This is $23.99, retails for $100. Then I got this. Ooh, I like it. Why do you think I like it? Because it's like a t-shirt dress. This is from Aubrey. I don't know how to say this. Aubrey 3+1. And it's just a gray, comfy type of t-shirt dress. This is Audrey 3+1 casual dress. It's $17.99, retails for $48. Next, I also got this really cute green, like sea green dress. This is cute. This is from Oleg Cassini. This retails for $119, but if I get it from Thredup, it's $22.99. I got these really cute printed shorts that may be new. Maybe it's not new with tags, I'm assuming. This is a Thredup tag. This is from Tommy Hilfiger, size 4. I really love color, guys. I just don't like color on my bottom area because my bottom area is my big area, and I just feel it's gonna be like wha-bam. But I still love color and I still love print, so I may look past the wha-bam. Okay, so those Tommy Hilfiger shorts retail normally for $59, but they are for $14.99. So if I use my $10, I'm really only gonna pay $5 out of this pocket. Okay, next we got these green, like it's a mint green J. Crew size 2. I already know these are not gonna fit. I don't fit into J. Crew size 2. Actually, when it comes to shorts, I am like a 4 because of my thunder thighs. But this is cute print. Those J. Crew shorts retail for $65, but I would pay $14.99 for them here. Next, we got these mint green pants. These are from NYDJ, NYDJ. These jeans retail for $143, and they are $22.99. These are a size 4. I got a lot of green, which is okay, it's summer colors. Now I got like a gray NYDJ. Oh wait. How? Okay. So these, I don't know if these are not your daughter's jeans. Not your daughter's jeans, or if it's the NYDJ. Because I have another pair. I don't know, guys. Anyways, these are $23.99. I think the other ones are $22.99. I'm not really sure. Okay, so these are NYDJ jeans size 4. Gray. These are $22.99. And they're like cuffed. And the last thing in the box are these jeans from The Gap, which are size 27 regular. So I'm just gonna try this on.
Hold on when you need a friend, I'll never let you go again. Reach out when your mind's uneasy, 'cause I'll understand. Hold on when you need a friend, I'll stay here to the end. Get up, don't hang your head, we'll take it step by step. Fell inside, now I'm living in a matchbox. This time, all it needed was a little spark. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your hand. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your hand. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your hand. Give me my heart back, 'cause somebody stole it and put it in your hand.
Okay, so thoughts on my goodie box from Thredup. At first sight, looking at all the stuff, I wasn't like hating anything. I mean, maybe this green striped shirt I wasn't feeling, but everything else I was pretty optimistic about. Well, also the J. Crew shorts. I already knew these weren't gonna fit, so there's that. Okay, so thoughts. This dress I won't wear. I won't have nowhere to wear it. If I worked like in an office where I had to dress up, maybe, but this is gonna be a no. This dress was okay. It's very tight, like here. This is where my big area is. And so I just don't like to feel tight there, especially like in the bottom, you know. This one was okay. It's just very like, it's longer than I would like. Like this hits my knee, and I prefer them to be like like 4 inches above the knee, because I feel like I'm already short, and then if it, I don't know, I just feel that it makes me look shorter, and then like I'm bigger down here, so I just feel like I look short and chunk. So I wanted to really love this, but I really don't. These don't fit. This was just okay, but this is $21, and I mean, I guess the name brand, right? But like, I don't even spend $21, and it has a hole. You see that? So, I mean, I don't even spend $21 on regular shirts, but I guess, and then this is used, so, but I guess the name brand, but still, if it was a different kind of shirt, like this material, and it's Texas, I feel like I'm gonna sweat. Okay, so these shorts were like my fave right out the box, just the way they look, but they're like super tight on my thigh. So either I keep these and lose weight so they can fit right, or it's in the back. They're longer. See, like these are a size 4, but they're like stretch. So they don't like make my fat bulge out right here like these do, because they're longer too. So I don't know, these are a maybe. These are $14, so I would pay $5 and probably tax, since they've already taken the other $10 out. This shirt I wasn't feeling. I really like the way these Gap pants fit me. They were tight, but they're like super stretch. I just don't want to spend $19 on Gap jeans, because I have plenty of Gap jeans in my POSHMARK closet that I could just get something from there. These two I liked, except they have no stretch, so they'll fit like good here, but then on the waist it was like super big. I just felt like the waist was way big on both of these, so I didn't really like the way they fit on me. So if I keep anything, which I'm probably gonna keep one thing so I don't let my $10 go to waste, I'm gonna end up with these. So hopefully next time they do not that they didn't do a good job. I did ask for like summer items, and they sent me jeans. Like I want a lot of like shirt, like tops, sleeveless tops, like spaghetti strap tops. I asked for rompers, I asked for summer dresses. So hopefully next time they send me some of that. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you guys have any trends that you know that are coming up in summer that I should know about, let me know in the comments below. Other than that, thanks for watching with me. I hope you guys are enjoying your summer. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Reach out when your mind's uneasy.